Hello YouTube, Facebook friends, this is my video on my new airsoft gun. This is not battery operated. It sucks. It's only $50. It's got the cocking mechanism. Oh, that just looked wrong. Clip comes out. There's a little button on the side right there. Of course it's airsoft, so it's marked orange. Clip holds up 500 BBs. 550. You put them in there. Then here's the tricky part. You bring this little switch back, and you shake down the BBs. Now sights test. It's about what I usually do. So yeah, this thing you can't really well, there's an adjustable buttstock, but makes it look longer. That's what she said. Like this. Well, thanks for watching. Please rate, thumbs up, subscribe.